it's Alex, and it is, well, the penultimate day on the island for us. I'm just waiting for Raimi. He's getting ready still. You know what these men are like. So I'm just going to start Jessie up and move her, because yesterday there wasn't much room left for me to park. This car's really close. It didn't leave much room. So I've had to squeeze right next to the plant pots outside. So I did accidentally hit that big white flagpole back there. Couldn't see it. But yeah, we've kind of lost souls today, because we were going to go on the hovercraft to visit the Mary Rose Museum, but the hovercraft is like over £60 for a return ticket, and the Mary Rose Museum is like £38 per person. It's a lot of money. So we decided not to go again. We did that last year. We were like, oh yeah, we'll do that, and then we were like, oh, it's too expensive. So we're just going to be beach bums today, I think. We're going to go and have a look at Freshwater Bay, maybe visit the chili farm. Don't really know what we're doing. There he is. He's ready.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh, you can't get in, can you? No, because the plant pots. Oh, you could do if you breathed in.
What should I say?
Oh, he's in. Look at that. I thought I was going to have to move.
No moving here.
Brilliant. So yeah, we get some more driving done today. I was going to jump on a train today, but no, more driving. Sorry, Jessie. Random juggling.
Juggling?
Yeah. He's enjoying himself juggling there. Some bright red rims on that bus, weren't there? Yeah, look, faded. He's a young man. Lucky boy. Oh, flat red squirrel, did you see it? Oh, first red squirrel we've seen, and it's dead. Oh. Mr. Squirrel. Oh. Bummer. Oh, what are you doing in the road, mate?
Just a doubt.
Random duck crossing. At least the duck wasn't flat.
Live to fuck another day.
Yeah. See that Fiesta?
Yeah, that's what's looking at.
Pumesta.
Yeah.
Has he got a Puma engine? Officially filled my SD card. I just had to delete some old footage to make a bit of room. But we're here at Freshwater Bay, and Jessie absolutely loves her drive on the island along the military road. She's very happy. Let's see how extortionate the car parking is.
She's getting sandy.
Dusty! All that salt in the rusty bits. About the average cost of the car parking on the island. Yeah, it's not London prices, is it? Just had a bit of early dinner, well I suppose late lunch, and we've come back to the hotel now. My camera overheated on the dashboard, so you missed out on a bit of driving. I saw a Rover Streetwise and a Series 3 Land Rover, but nothing too exciting. Thanks for watching. Bye!